Are you ready to see how artificial intelligence can help you make money? In this video, we'll explore how AI is revolutionizing the way people make money online. You won't want to miss this. Artificial intelligence is changing the world, and it's not just in science fiction movies. It's a real technology that's already making a big impact in the world of finance. AI is helping people make more informed investment decisions and even predicting stock prices with impressive accuracy. But that's not all AI can do. In fact, it's now easier than ever to use AI to make money online, and today we're going to show you how. First, let's talk about online marketplaces. AI can be used to analyze vast amounts of data from these platforms, allowing you to identify trends and opportunities for profit. You can use this information to adjust your online business strategies and optimize your earnings. Another way to make money using AI is by creating chatbots. These automated conversational agents can help you handle customer service inquiries, freeing up your time to focus on other aspects of your business. This will ultimately lead to increased profits. And let's not forget about AI-powered trading bots. These bots use machine learning algorithms to make trading decisions for you, allowing you to profit from the ups and downs of the stock market without having to monitor it yourself. Artificial intelligence is transforming the world, and it's time for you to take advantage of it. With AI, you can optimize your online business, save time, and make more money. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring the possibilities of AI today.